Okay, hello, my name is Rutherford Rojas. I'm from Peru, and this is my project for the Gen AI Intensive Course Capstone. And my project is about re-ranking Google search response using embeddings. The first thing, we're gonna set some libraries that we're gonna help us in this project. We're gonna set in some credentials and some functions to help us to visualize the best ways the response of the model. The first thing, we're gonna give to the model a prompt instructions about some topic. We can give to the model whatever topic, but we have a specific response like this. This is an example. What we want. We want some queries. The to to will will search in the other lines of code. We're gonna run the instructions. We're gonna config the search, the Google search as a tool, and the temperatures of the response we want. We're gonna run this, and we're gonna have some response. We're gonna run this to see some of the queries that the model is giving to us, and we're gonna extract that queries in a list, and we have 11 queries, and we're gonna search from each query. We're gonna have some response that we're gonna save in the summary variable. We're gonna run this. This will take some. We're gonna take some time. We're gonna wait a little for the response of this model. Okay. Okay. Let's gonna see some of the response we have. Let's gonna see. Well, this is a response to a query. Next thing, now that we have the queries and we have the response of that query, we want to embed uh, that to lists. We're going to embed the queries and the response of the queries. It's gonna run this line, and now we have the embeddings. But what we want is to find the similarity score and the response that we can get of the model, and we're gonna calculate the similarity score thanks to the inner product. We have two vectors, and we're gonna calculate the cosine, the product cosine of that vectors to give us the similarity score. This is the calculation, and we're gonna see the values. What are the values we have? This is the values we have, and now we're gonna calculate what's the max value, what's the best response, and we have here the response, and we're gonna now that we have the indices, we're gonna give what is the best response, and this is the best response that we have of the model that we can that we can that we can take of our model. Other things that we can do is to do a ranking of the best response from each query that we have. See, this is the let's gonna run this because this is the ranking we have of the response of the first query, of the second query, sorry. And finally, the last thing we can do in this in these lines of code is to see the heat map. We're gonna run this, and let's do it again. And these are our values of the embeddings, and we can see what's the max and minimum values of our of our data. Well, that is all. That's my project. Uh, hope you you can you could understand what I'm saying or what I'm explaining. But this is my project, and thank you for listening to me.